Hello, my name is Fahim. I'm a senior software engineer currently working in IoT data acquisition, enforcing tagging compliance, and optimizing cloud costs. Along with me, we have Saad.
Hey, this is Saad, currently working as a software engineer at X3. Primarily, I've been working in X3 Cloud Cost Control team for implementing cost estimation and optimization strategies.
Let's get right into it. This webinar is useful for infrastructure engineers, SREs, and tech leads seeking to master cloud resource management for optimal control and efficiency. Cloud cost control can be difficult with a lot of pain and trouble. Here, we will be talking about some of the major pain points. Let's start with complexity of cost attribution. Some of our clients struggle with tracking and allocating expenses to different projects and departments. This is very important to have proper cost attribution as it provides transparency and accountability, enabling better financial decision making. Next, identifying cost patterns within your cloud infrastructure is very crucial. Imagine having a unified dashboard that offers valuable insights into the resources consuming most of your budget. This visibility will facilitate you in better allocation of resources and increased optimization of budget utilization. Similarly, implementing cloud cost optimization strategies from scratch is relatively difficult because it involves multiple cloud native tools. Instead of reinventing the wheels, we have incorporated the open source and cloud native tools to automate the process of controlling cloud cost, enabling cost optimization and scalability.
That's where XC3 comes in, offering added values such as a centralized UI that can be used to track your cloud resource inventory, which makes it simple to effectively manage your resources. That's not the only thing our centralized UI is capable of. It also provides a cost breakdown of each service, business unit, tag, or a member account. With our cost estimation and optimization workflows, you can estimate your cloud cost spending and then optimize your cloud usage with analytical dashboards. On these dashboards, you can monitor your cloud cost and then perform remediation actions such as stopping your compute instances on weekends. Save up on those 48 hours when your developers are unwinding. Using XC3, you can generate budget alerts through apps like Slack, which can enable you to proactively monitor your cloud costs.
Okay, now let's talk about some of our success stories. Some of our recent work involves working with inventory tracking and management IoT platform that was struggling with scaling their infrastructure during this global recession. By utilizing XC3, we were able to successfully reduce their cost usage by 18% and enhance their financial stability with a 21% increase. We have shared the near real-time cost metrics of their different services and resources, providing in-depth analysis and cost-saving opportunities. I would love to mention some of the strategies that we used. First of all, we identified underutilized resources and then effectively implemented auto-scaling and cost-saving plans for their compute resources. With this, we were able to cut a big chunk of their cloud expenditure. We also implemented another key strategy. We turned off the non-critical workloads on their weekends. XC3 comes with these automatic cost estimation and optimization strategies, avoiding manual and hectic processes.
Another story from our portfolio is of a B2C startup, a unicorn in the making. They were facing challenges with controlling their cloud spend. They were mainly struggling with identifying the reason and microservice behind the compute cost. They did not have any proper tagging policy in place, which is why they were not getting alerted about the exponential growth of the cost of their infrastructure. We helped them in identifying running hours and usage of their microservice workloads. We started by implementing tagging policy and attributing the cloud resources based on cost allocation tags. With that information, the startup was able to make informed business decisions. On top of that, we also helped them in making it a continuous process. We implemented observability along with automated cost reduction methodologies. They ultimately ended up saving 30% of their cloud spend on the overall cloud infrastructure bill.
Now let's talk about some of the use cases where you can utilize XC3. For example, if you are working in an e-commerce platform and you are using multiple cloud providers to manage your infrastructure. I think you already know that when working with multi-cloud environments, it is very difficult to control the cost, which impacts the company's profitability. XC3 integrates with multiple cloud native and open source tools to remediate the complexity of cross-cloud infrastructures. With XC3, you can effectively optimize your cloud spending with our centralized cost attribution and a transparent budget dashboard, which helps you in powerful cost monitoring and analysis for identifying expensive resources.
Another use case is a fintech company. So, if you look at a fintech company, we know that it gets difficult to manage such large amounts of data, and with it, its associated costs. So, getting a real-time visibility of the cloud infrastructure cost becomes imperative. XC3 helps you in proactive control of cloud costs using automated mechanisms for customized alerts. On top of this, you can boost the profitability with the power of integrated open source tools like Cloud Custodian, Prometheus, and Grafana by creating custom dashboards.
So take control with XC3, enhance cost optimization, enforce tagging compliance, and boost resource utilization effortlessly.
And don't let cost management challenges hold you back. Leverage XC3 today and revolutionize your cost management game. Thanks.